Lifestyle Camper is presenting its own stand for the first time at the Mercedes-Benz dealership center on 22 Stepan Bandera Avenue. This is a significant and logical step for us in developing a travel culture. My name is Yulia and you're on the Lifestyle Camper channel. The combination of Mercedes-Benz's engineering excellence and Lifestyle Camper's philosophy of freedom creates a new format of mobile living. Stylish, reliable, and thoughtfully designed down to the smallest detail. At the center is the Black Edition stand trailer. The Black Camper is a consciously chosen aesthetic. It looks restrained and elegant on the move, highlighting the owner's individual style. Behind its striking appearance lies practicality that works for your comfort while traveling. Lifestyle Camper creates black off-road campers from durable materials using modern technologies, thoughtful ergonomics, and reliable components. Special attention is paid to the construction. A strong monolithic frame protected by polymer. Line-X coating and high-quality seals ensure durability in any weather conditions. You can be sure that the camper will withstand even the most extreme use. The interior complements the overall idea of comfort. Efficient ventilation and thermal insulation, heating and air conditioning. Stable power supply from built-in batteries and solar panels, a compact kitchen with a sink and hot water, refrigerator, gas stove, cabinets for storing kitchen appliances, and a comfortable sleeping area with multimedia and lighting. The stand presentation is supported by the official Mercedes dealership center, the UKRAVTO Group and UKRAVTO Kyiv group of companies. Mercedes is a symbol of excellence. Innovation and impeccable service, official status, certified service, an individual approach, and a premium level of service perfectly complement the philosophy of Lifestyle Camper. Mercedes-Benz UKRAVTO and Kyiv, where the advantage is in the details. Lifestyle Camper, when travel becomes a way of life.